Huawei Nova 5i runs on Android 9 Pie with EMUI 9.1 and packs a 6.4-inch Full HD+. It is powered by octa-core HiSilicon Kirin 710F SoC, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. On the imaging front, Huawei has added a quad-camera setup in Nova 5i, which houses a 24-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.8 lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, a 2-megapixel 4cm macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. There is a 24-megapixel selfie camera on the front as well with an f2.0 lens. Among other specifications, the phone packs a 4000 mAh battery, 128 GB of onboard storage with a micro SD card slot, up to 512 GB, and a rear fingerprint sensor. Connectivity options on the Huawei Nova 5i include Wi-Fi 802 2.11 AC, Bluetooth 4.2, USB Type-C, 4G LTE support.